welcome to Membership Websites. So we're looking at the add-on filter by star rating. Let me just show you where this add-on is. If you have this add-on, if you go to the back end of the website first of all and go to settings and design settings, when that loads up, we're looking to stay in the first tab, and if we go down to search results pages, we can see here that we can display the star rating filter. Currently it's disabled, but we can enable it, so we'll just enable that. When we go to the front end of the website, we'll just carry out a search on the website, and we can see that this option then is available, so that we can filter results by star rating. So we can click on how we want the results to display and in what order. So that's what that add-on there refers to. So I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.